discuss the basic concepts of Oracle. Just the users request one statement, like how it works behind the scene. So how it process that statement, how compiler will check, and how it sends the information back to the users. So whenever a user requests anything from here, so the compiler will first interpret it and it will return back to the user. So let's see how it works from the SQL command. Now suppose this is a statement, select staff from EMP. So when we execute this, you can see it is giving the invalid SQL statement, because first the compiler will check whether the syntax is correct or not. So this syntax is not correct, because instead of select, it is written select. So that is how it is not working. So again, then instead of from, some other thing will be there. So compiler will not work. From keywords not found. So these are the basic syntax where first the compiler checks, and next step is, if the syntax is correct, then it will check whether the object or table exists or not in the system. So then it selects the object. So first step is syntax checking. Next step is it checks for the data dictionary whether the object which is referenced here exists in the data dictionary or not. So it will return an error. Here it is showing table or view does not exist. So now we modify it and make it the correct table name. Then it will return the output. Yeah. Then we got the output. Now suppose we have all the implies are there. There are all female implies and one female implies Diana. So now the records, Diana record is coming at the end. So but we want to see the record, Diana record at the top. So by default Oracle is doing this in the order of ascending EMP number. So we will change this and make it descending so that Diana will come at the top. So this is how like Oracle allows to arrange the fields or arrange the data or sort the data. So this is a part of sorting operation. So where will not be there, order by EMP number descending. So now if we query this, now DNA is coming at the top. Now suppose the my requirement is like, suppose we have to address the employee with, if the person is male we have to address with Mr. If the person is female we have to address with Mrs. So I will write this using one decode function. Decode is a single row function. So the function is, let's see, decode. Then we will check gender, whether the person is male or female. Gender. If female, then her name should start with Mrs. or Miss. We can filter that way also, but in that case we need the age for that. So Mrs., or we need the marital status, which is not there in this table. So let's do with this Mrs. If the person is male, then Mr. Okay. Now we will combine this the query. Select, decode. We will add ename to it. Ename from EMP order by EMP number descending. Let's see. So it is coming Mrs. Diana, Mr. Miller, Mr. Ford, Mr. James. Now what we'll do, here the heading is coming like that. So we will give some meaningful name like as implies. So we can put the alias for heading. So now it is coming like this. So heading is implies and these are the names. This is the imply name. Okay, now if I wanted to add some more columns to it and give some meaningful information, then we'll use this concat function and we will add salary to it. Salary is so I am adding this uh, within single quote salary is and with the concatenating with the salary field. So now let's see how it looks. So here it comes like Mrs. Diana salary is 4,000, Mr. Miller salary is 1,300, Mr. Ford salary is 3,000, Mr. James salary is 9,500. So this is how the query works. So this I discussed just one decode function is a single row function and concatenation function using this double pipe. I've used this. So we'll discuss more later on the other functions. Meanwhile, please like and subscribe my channel and please enroll to my course. I'm giving discount 20% discount for the first 20 registration. Thank you very much.